Take a paper and fold it in half. Open it up. Take the scissors and cut it on the line. Take the second paper, keep it in the side. Then take the first paper and fold it in half like how you do a square. Now we have to do a square by cutting the bottom line. Now to cut it. Now to fold it in half. Open it up and fold it to the line. Take the other side and fold it to the line. Now to fold it in half. Now again you have to fold it in half. Now open it back and fold it up and fold the other one down. After that, you see this half triangle. Do the same in the other side. Do another half triangle. Now to fold it inside. Now same to the other side. You see the half triangle? You have to make the another half triangle and fold it in half. Repeat the same in the second paper. Take both folds, make them look like a cross. Make the first one fold it in the backwards area so that in the front it looks like two diamonds. Now make the edges hide behind the second fold. Now repeat for the second fold. For second one, open the holes in the first diamond shape. So fit it inside the gap. How do the same for the other side. Press nicely on all the sides. Make sure all the sides looks like a double-edged sword. Our ninja star is ready. You can train to hit your targets like a real ninja star. To learn with Pikku, like and subscribe and share.